Welcome sa ating episode 2 ng interview questions for chemical engineers. Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay yung tinaguriang na Miss Universe question para sa mga chemical engineers kapag nag-a-apply sila ng trabaho. At yun ay ang tanong na, what is chemical engineering? Pag-uusapan na rin natin ngayon sa episode na to kung ano ba ang pagkakaiba ng chemical engineers at ng chemist. Para na rin to sa mga estudyante na nagme-message sa amin at nagtatanong kung ano ba yung kaibahan nila. Please like, share, and follow our pages in Facebook, Chemical Engineering Philippines and Nerds Philippines. Paki-subscribe na rin sa aming YouTube channel, Nerds Philippines, and hit the bell button para lagi kayong notified sa mga updates. Well, hindi namin alam kung bakit madalas tong natatanong sa mga interviews. Pero imagine, nag-aral ka ng years in chemical engineering, pero nung tinanong ka nito, hindi mo siya masagot. Well, tignan natin, ano ba ang chemical engineering by definition? Kunin natin dito sa Principles of Unit Operation, 2nd edition by Alan Faust, Wendell, Clums, Maus, and Anderson. According to this book, chemical engineering is the application of the principles of the physical sciences together with the principles of economics and human relations to fields that pertain directly to processes and process equipment in which matter is treated to affect a change in state, energy content, or composition. Gets nyo? Humanap tayo ng mas madaling definition ng chemical engineering. It is the branch of engineering which is concerned with how to make useful product using raw material. And another definition is that chemical engineering is all about changing raw materials into useful products such as clothes, food, and drink, and energy. So magbigay tayo ng example. Yung raw material na sand, soda ash, limestone at iba pa is converted into glass. Pwede rin nating i-define yung chemical engineering as a branch of engineering which involves the design and operation of large-scale chemical plants. So involve ang chemical engineering sa designs of certain equipment such as reactors, distillation columns, heat exchangers at marami pang iba. So in terms naman of operations, we are concerned with monitoring and control of different parameters such as concentration, flow rates, temperatures, and more. So as a bonus sa episode na to, pag-usapan na natin ano bang kaibahan ng chemical engineer sa chemist. Chemists and chemical engineers may both work with chemicals and be involved with research, but their focus differs. So even though it seems na may overlap ang chemical engineering at ang chemist, lalo na in chemistry, magkaiba sila ng focus. Chemist explores all the aspects of substances and molecules, the reaction between them at a microscopic scale. Chemists observe these chemical reactions and properties and learn how to use them to create new substances and materials. Chemists work with atoms and molecules and seek to understand how they interact and how to improve products by altering the chemical structure. So para madali lang siyang ma-visualize, so that pagdating ng interview, hindi mo siya makalimutan, chemists usually works in labs. They may contribute to R&D or perform sample analysis, while chemical engineers are more likely to take these materials and processes and make them larger or more efficient. So, kung ang chemist is concerned with microscopic scale, ang chemical engineers naman ay concerned in a larger scale. Chemical engineers are typically focused on manufacturing products such as chemical and fuel and how to improve the manufacturing process. Chemical engineers take materials and chemicals and use them to design and create useful equipment and machines for various fields like medicines, agriculture, product manufacturing, and more. So we hope naging useful sa inyo ito. We encourage our fellow chemical engineers to comment for additional information. We are also inviting you to join our Chendicato Facebook group.